Good morning, everybody. This is Shane, your Nappy Chef. So, got a question for you. I've been growing this tomato. It's a what is it? It is a pink Brandywine, and I keep getting these yellow leaves on here. I don't know if you can see it. So it starts off nice, but then I'll show you one of the ones that I kind of grafted over here. It's a nice big single stem. But if you look at it here, you can see how it was nice and green, but the leaves again they're starting to yellow, like almost right away after I put it in the ground. So I'm asking, is this like a virus, or is there some kind of treatment that I can do to stop this, or is it just bad? See, here's another one. So see how the leaves, they just aren't healthy. Does it need more water or nutrients, or what's going on? Because I really would like this thing to make some tomatoes for me. So please put your answer in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe.